Hello guys, today we stand in front of the factory gates to take you on a look of the entire produced process of the carbon fiber productions. Let's see more detailed information about it. Let's go! Let's stand here this machine. That's one. The 3D scanning of the one compared to high precision data from the real cars. The tanning jumping sketching the gas diocese depend on the client's requirement. CAD design send the STP or the ISG field of the product's final design or the 3D renderings. CNC weekly operations, 5SIs or the 3SI CNC machines will be used for building the mold. Sample productions. Productions will be strictly arranged according to the sold and the client's specific requirements. Let's compare with the mental mold, and this one is the explosive mold. Let's see that the mental mold, the surface is more flat, so that the product produced will be more smoother. Then, start to lay the carbon fiber fabric. Each pieces of the cloth should be well aligned with the grain of various angles so as to ensure the flatness of the carbon surface. If the fabric is protruding or skewed, the product will not be flush with the grain after the productions. The appearance, the feeling will not be good, leading to increased escape of the product. After laying the carbon fiber fabric, we need to start to cut around the existing edges in order to better facilitate the sanding and trimming after the production is completed. The next step is to using this vacuum machine to evacuate the bag. Subsequently, the mold is sent into the long-term anaerobic conditions, that is, in the autoclave. Under the conditions of the high temperature and the pressures, the product will quickly jump the glues so as to achieve the carbonizations, so that the product will have the higher temperature resistance and the high hardness than metals. After the semi-finished product come out, we need to use the polish machine to polish the edge. Because of the product has been carbonized solid, so we need to polish the machine to turn over and over again. After the treatment of the edge and the corners, the product can look across the raft. Actually, after the semi-water polishing started, the workers need to go to the polishing the product while it is still wet. Because the surface is still rough when the carbon finished product are made, it is time to go through the water polishing to make the product flat and more smoother. The last step is to polishing. The polish can improve the brightness of the product, can look smoother so that people can more thoroughly wash the carbon fiber layers of the flatness, improve the beauty and the texture of the product. Actually, to talking about this one, after sending to meet the standard, we have started spying the protective links, that is the varnish or the gloss. This step needs to be repeated several times because after each layers of the varnish expires, we have to bring to dry before the next layers of the spyings. The role of this protective layer is that it can strengthen the protection of the carbon fibers, not to let the carbon fibers garage to extend its surface life, and then send it to the baking room to finalizations. The most important thing is that before each product leaves to the factory, it is necessary to carry out the quality inspection to see whether the product has a mask pattern, whether there are white doors and further scaratures. If the similar situation is founded, it is necessary to see whether the white doors and the scaratures and the bumps only exist on the surface. If so, it is necessary to polish and polish again to repair it. If there are the problems with the carbon fiber cloth, which situation should be remade, this is the reason why the carbon fiber products are expensive. The final step is packing. This product needs to use the 1 PE foam and the 2-word bump and the 3-word bump, and then to packing it. The outside still need to put on the word boxes and the wooden frame to make sure the product in the good conditions. I'm very happy to bring everyone to have the virtual factory experience. See you next time. Goodbye.